Hello and welcome. This is my first milestone. This is my sprite here that I have and my components, the game quitter, sprite changer, and the sprite mover components. So if I come over here into Visual Studio, here is my game quitter. Right here, we took out the start on the start because we don't need it in this. So down here in update, we're going to check to make sure if the get button down, the quit button has been pressed or not, which over here we will go ahead and set that. Project settings and input manager. Here we have this where escape is actually what quits the game. Alright. So, and then right here we have it where it actually tells the application to quit when we press it, and this is going to tell the console that we pressed it. Alright, then in our sprite mover, we have our public float variables so that we can get those, the minimum x, is max x and min y's, which those all directly convert here into our Unity interface. We now have these available options. Right here we are declaring our public key code as key press. And this is actually right here as well, where we can change this to whichever space it wants. So if they want to make it go to a random position on keypad 5, then that's fine, they can do that. Alright. So also down here we have this, making the transform variable available to the sprite mover at the beginning of the application. It doesn't need to do it every time, just make it available once. And now on update, so when we press the key down, I'm trying to say quick key, the key press key. When we press that down, it's going to send a message to the console saying that that random location key, that's where it is, has been pressed. And this right here, this float selected x, this is making a variable so that it is going to create a random range for the minimum x and minimum y. And then the same here, minimum y, minimum max y. And this is going to display those values in the console. And then finally right here we have the tf.position equals new vector 3. This is going to take these locations that we have declared right here, and this is going to tell the sprite to move to those locations. Alright, so if we go to my build application right here, I'll just go ahead and click that, open it up, and as you can see, I've got my sprite here in this lovely blue background. If I hit the space button, I'm moving to a random position, just as we should have. If we change those positions to a higher or lower number, it'll move even more. If I press the escape key, it exits the application. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching.